How to pin a conversation on Amo app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to pin a conversation on Amo app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your Amo app, click on it. Once you are here, choose the conversation you want to pin, and so easily just keep clicking on the conversation. Now they're gonna show up these options. All you need to do is click on pin to top. Like you see, there is a pin icon beside the conversation. To unpin this, all you need to do is keep clicking again and click on and pin this shot. And this is it, easy and quick. Hope this video was helpful. If this video was helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe and like.